Hello everyone, this is Shujoy from 7 Ports. Today we will going to see one very important Google Chrome extension which will help you to work in a very smart way. So it's a basically its name is Merlin and it's basically a chat GPT assistant for all website. So if you use this extension, then you will get the benefit like if you go into the other website or other social media channel, you can use chat GPT then and there. So the thing is you have to go to Merlin, and I already down install the this Chrome extension. So there you have to find like add to Chrome. You have to first click on add to Chrome, then the this extension will be installed. So after that, suppose if I am going to my LinkedIn profile, and suppose this is my feed. So if I want to, suppose I want to uh, reply this post. So how we can use this? So basically we have to just copy the section, and we have to the left click and give context to Merlin. Look at this. So you have to just click on this, and you just have to give a prompt comment like write a reply, write a engaging, suppose I can say write a engaging reply of this post. So let's see what Merlin will give me. So here it is. Merlin will give you the reply like this. So in this way you can use anywhere this Merlin extension to your benefit. So thank you so much, and be with us, and please subscribe our channel for more similar update. Thank you.